In this video, I will show you how to send crypto to someone else's QR code on Exodus Wallet. So first of all, open up your Exodus Wallet app, and from there, go to the friend's account you want to send it to, and then you need to click on Receive on that account, and then select the asset that you want to transfer. So let's say you want to transfer Bitcoin, then go ahead and click on Bitcoin, and then you will see the Bitcoin address of your friend's account or someone else's account in here. And then you can basically copy that to your clipboard, or you can send this to that person and then use it on the phone or device that you want to send this to and from. And once you do that, you will be able to send crypto to someone else with their QR code on Exodus Wallet. So that is how you do it. It's pretty easy and straightforward. You can just find it in the Receive section from the Home tab. And once you do that, you will be able to finalize it. Also, make sure that you always have the same network selected when you are transferring crypto. So when you are transferring Bitcoin, select the Bitcoin network, the BTC network on Wallet 1 and Wallet 2. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.